Hello and namaste my YouTube family. This coming weekend, my little one's friend coming for sleepover. So it reminds me my childhood that we used to sit around the fire and we used to eat a sweet, Indian sweet called aradhya. But nowadays kids like to snuggle up, watching movie and eat a dessert. Yes, today we're going to make some dessert recipe. So we're going to make lemon cheesecake. Isn't it sounds yummy? Yep. So first we're going to make a base of that cake, and then we're going to do jelly, and then we're going to make a top layer. So let's start. First we're going to crush 125 gram biscuit, malt biscuit, but if you don't have malt, any butter cookie should be fine. Now I'm going to add 100 gram melted butter or room temperature butter. So this base is ready, and we going to put it in a tin, and we're going to refrigerate for 20 minutes. 20 minutes to half an hour. So we have to let it set properly. Also my tin ready as well with baking paper. So we're going to make a nice base evenly. So this base is ready and I spread evenly, and we're going to refrigerate for 20 minutes. In 1 cup of boiling water, I add 85 gram lemon flavored jelly powder and half a cup sugar. So I'm going to dissolve everything, and then we're going to let it cool down completely. Now we're going to whip fresh cream until fluffy and bubbly. So this cream is ready now. So it's a 250 gram cream cheese. I'm adding 2 teaspoons lemon juice and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now I'm going to add cream, that whipped cream. Now I'm going to add jelly mixture, and then we're going to mix everything together properly. Now this base is a nice set in a fridge, and I'm going to pour this cream mixture, and we're going to keep it in a refrigerator overnight. So we're going to keep this one overnight, and then we're going to decorate. This cheesecake is ready, and I kept in refrigerator for overnight, and now we're going to decorate. So I decorate with pista and raspberry powder, but cheesecake is, you can decorate all sorts of way with fresh fruit or frozen fruit or dry fruit. Nice lemon cheesecake is ready. So homemade cheesecake, totally different feeling. So if you like this recipe and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Many more recipes to come, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.